Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the door handle on your wall oven, open the oven door to the broil position, lift it off of the hinge supports, and set the door on a sturdy surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws securing the inner and outer door panels together. Lift out the inner panel. You can now remove the mounting screws to release the old door handle. Be sure to support the outer door glass as you do this. You're now ready to install the new door handle. Align the insulators on the handle. Position one end of the handle on the outer door panel and thread the mounting screw loosely. Position the opposite end of the handle. Thread the second mounting screw and tighten both screws. To avoid damaging the outer glass, be careful not to over-tighten. Join the inner and outer door panels together. Replace the screws to secure. Reinstall the oven door by aligning it with the hinge supports. Then push the door into position.